Tibetan Canadian Cultural Centre, representing Tibetans in Ontario, has initiated a building expansion project to create more space for enriched programs, multi-purpose sports facilities, library, an art gallery, and Tibetan Artifacts Museum. Over the last 20 years, more than 6,000 Tibetan refugees from Tibet, Nepal, and India have found Canada as their home. The Tibetans in Ontario felt the need to establish a center to carry out the visions and legacy of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. In the year 2004, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama gave his blessing and bestowed the Tibetan name Kangjong Chundaling to the proposed community center. The Tibetan community in Ontario proudly acquired 2.18 acres of land and worked hard to partially transform a 50,000 square feet lighting factory into a community center in 2007. Since opening its doors, the center has served over 25,000 visitors of Tibetan and non-Tibetan descent, facilitating a variety of programs and services. Over the years, influx of many Tibetans in Ontario has caused challenges for the center to provide an ideal space for different program initiatives. In 2015, the Renovation Committee has been established to oversee the expansion and renovation of partially dilapidated building to create more space for the community center. This project represents the total area of 13,200 square feet. Phase 1 of the project will support the building of a multi-purpose sports facility hall with change room, washrooms, and classrooms. The roof is raised to unveil the community artifacts and create space for sports and recreational activities, which will accommodate the community members of all age groups. The foundation work, structural steel, and the roof are now complete. We are now seeking support to complete some of the interior works, such as walls, flooring, partitions, change rooms, and the classrooms. A successful project will ensure that Tibetan Canadian Cultural Centre, Kangjong Chundaling, continues to be the premier centre in Canada to develop and build community engagement for the promotion of moral values, peace and harmony by sharing the value of distinct Tibetan arts, culture, and heritage. We expect to have all of the construction work completed by April 2019. An opening ceremony is tentatively scheduled for some time towards the end of June 2019.
Number 2 ya bugi shwela ta ngozo kanju chindeli kichedo ta rishon tine khang di chedo ya ani yidon shi loni chene ta ngozo petkule rab da rebagi ani kule kyone ta thanda ne da ne cha diore ta ngozo die ani thande leshi di ngozo chokro ye ani ne sanne lebe promotogi ani akebri mambona yore ta yutuka sheme cholo yoba chamege ani ngazo gi leshi di ani maobe gi ta rishon tine khang di ani gyunje yawo yoya chedo ani kyabona ro naslani byogi tine ma shu yo shu to chen
Please donate.
Your support is crucial in having this project completed. Together, we can all make a difference in preserving a past and in building our future.